Did you eat the rice? Hi, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. Panic buying, hoarding, and price gouging have become rampant across the United States following India's recent ban on non-basmati white rice exports. The ban announced last week has sent shockwave through the global food market as India is a major rice exporter. India's export ban aims to ensure domestic availability and lower prices for consumers at home. However, its ripple effects are being felt far and wide, particularly in the US, where South Asian grocery stores are witnessing unprecedented demand. Even though the export ban does not include the premium grade basmati rice, noted that consumers are buying it up in bulk as a precautionary measure. As panic buying escalates, so does the price. Wholesalers and rice companies are adjusting their prices due to the overwhelming demand, leading to price increase. Prices are unfortunately up and about 100%, which is double at this time. The panic reminded many of the baby formula shortage in the US post the COVID-19 pandemic and the Ukraine war. The news of ban has sparked as frenzy as non-resident Indians scramble to secure their supply of non-basmati white rice, a staple of Indian cuisine. Videos are circulating on social media showed people rushing to grab the last remaining rice bags at giant stores. Once again, this is Suma Sridhar, real estate broker in the Bay Area. This is for the information, for your knowledge. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.